this video, I'll show you how to set up redirects in Cloudflare. Redirects are useful when you change URLs, move pages, or just want traffic to land on the right spot. First, log into your Cloudflare account and open the domain you want to work with. In the left menu, go to Rules, then select Redirect Rules. Click Create Rule, give it a clear name, and under When Incoming Request Match, choose the URL pattern you want to redirect. For example, you could match a single page, a folder, or even all subdomains. Next, set the action by entering your target URL. You can also use dynamic placeholders if you want parts of the original URL to carry over. Then choose your status code. Use 301 for permanent redirects or 302/307 if it's temporary. If needed, enable preserve query string so tracking or session data gets passed along. Once everything looks good, click deploy and your redirect is live. And that's it. Your visitors will now be sent exactly where you want them. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Cloudflare tutorials.